To Mason Putnell. Hi man, I'm Tommy Chong here with my friend Mason from Stock Up 42. They make videos on investing, making money online, passive income, and money-making apps. Subscribe, like, share, and hit the bell to be notified of new videos. Roll the intro, man.
Hi, Mason here with Stock Up 42. If this is the first time here, you have missed out on some great opportunities. No need to worry, because I have made a website stockup42.com that has the best up-to-date opportunities. Don't go anywhere. Ashley is going to go over some new features I just recently added.
Hi, I'm Ashley, with Stock Up 42. We have just added a chat section to the website. You can access the chat by scrolling to the bottom of the home page. This is a chat for everyone, so if you are a content creator looking for a free shout-out, talk stocks, crypto, or just say hey, feel free to leave a message. On the website you will find links for the cheapest crypto miners, free crypto earning apps, work-from-home opportunities, money-making apps. Okay, probably better if we just show you a quick video of the website. We would like to eventually start a social media site within StockUp42.com. It would be similar to Facebook but wouldn't have as many restrictions to post, as we take freedom of speech seriously. Making a website like this can be expensive, so it might be a while before it's available. We also may be partnering with a new NFT gaming company soon. It greatly depends on the legitimacy of the game, as we do our best to make sure our community is only offered real money-making opportunities.
Absolutely. You will only get fair and honest reviews from Stock Up 42.
We try to make several videos every week, so make sure you subscribe to the channel. We put all relevant links in the description of the video. This has been Stock Up 42, and until the next video, let's stock up together.